You almost missed me. I was about going out.
Yes, I'm coming from Master's on this house. The man you sent me.
Yes. Okay, let's go into my house.
It's alright.
Master's son told me a lot of sad stories today. You see, my heart bleeds for this land. I never believed the stories that I heard about my town outside until this afternoon. No wonder those white men call us savages. I'm so ashamed of myself.
My prince, you don't have to be ashamed of yourself. I appeal to you to apply caution and wisdom, because I know your father very, very well. He has a lion heart. He will not be happy with you if he gets to know your position.
Edochie, who is Iboneku?
Iboneku, may his soul rest in peace. Iboneku was a very popular palm wine taber in this land. He had a wife and 4 children who were buried alive 10 years ago in this your father's reign, over what the tradition regards as an abomination.
Wait a minute. The entire family buried alive?
Yes, my prince. Even his house was burned down.
This is a case of man's inhumanity to me. This is incredible.
Your Highness, what is the problem? This woman killed a sacred python against her. Did you do that?
Your Highness.
Did you do that?
It was an accident.
You did it. It's the last. Now, take him away. Get up! Get up! Get up! Out! You killed a sacred python. That python must be buried like a human being. That means 12 cows. 2 black dogs with horns. Igwe, that is how it is done.
You have 1 week to do all that. 1 week! Take her away.
Your Highness, I plead my loyalty to you. Please, have mercy on my wife.
Take her away.
Please have mercy on my wife. Please.
If any man, if any man, if any man, no more. I run a man, I run a man, I run a man, no more. I if any man.
Both of you leave here now. Yes. Now!
Emenike, what is wrong with you? Emenike, talk to me. Where have you been since morning? Emenike.
What is going on here? Adeze.
Yes, Mom.
What is the problem?
Mom, everything is wrong.
Calm down, son. Why are you sounding like this?
Mom, go out there. Go out there and see the kind of suffering this kingdom is subjecting her people to. All because of some fetish and old-fashioned beliefs.
Emenike, what is the problem? What is it?
Mom, I am ashamed of this land. I can't boast of this kingdom outside. So many lives are lost to some various rituals in this kingdom and no one talks about it.
You don't let your father hear of this blasphemy.
Oh, you call what I'm saying blasphemy?
Yes, that's
all
right.
Right, no problem. That settles it.
Woman, where is your husband?
Check it out, please.
Where is your... Obidike, you have refused to obey the king's order. After all the abominations you committed, you are to leave here immediately.
Yes.
Hey!
Please, please. You are banished now.
And you must not take out anything from this house.
Take him away. Take them away.
see that? I'm sorry. Okay. That is Princess Olaku of Umuebe Kingdom.
Yes, I know her. But what's she doing in Umeke?
Don't you know?
Know what?
Look, my father told me that Princess Olaku of Umuebe Kingdom is betrothed to Prince Emenike, our own Prince Emenike.
What? Hey, no wonder. Ebele, this is not the first, not the second, and not the third time I'm seeing her in this kingdom.
Whoa, you talk as if you're the only one that has been seeing her. I've seen her in this village countless times, oh. I have.
Ebele, I'm still surprised. How can Prince Emenike, our own Prince Emenike, marry that pompous princess that feels like her father is a king of all kingdoms?
Shut up!
Let me just
shut up! Every time you be talking papa, everywhere you go, you're papa. Don't land me into trouble, oh. Don't put me into trouble. Don't you know that the war has ears?
What will she do? Huh?
You're asking me what she will do, Abby? You will know what she will do when the time comes. You will. You better come, let's go. Are you still here?
Wait for me, John. You're always afraid.
I'm fine, my dear. And how are you? Oh, Melike is fine. And that day is it. They're giving me a lot of trouble in this house. No, I will come. I'll come. Don't worry, I'll come. Greetings. Olako, how are you, my dear?
Fine, thank you.
Look at you, you're looking so pretty. Thank you very much. Sit down, please.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, how are your parents?
Oh, they are very well.
My God.
They sent their greetings.
And your brother?
He's very well. He's planning his traditional wedding.
Really?
Yes.
Edochie is getting married?
He's getting married.
Oh, thank God. Anyway, he's supposed to get married before my son. You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
She's at home.
Thank you.
Where is this boy? Emenike! I'm sorry, he went out. I forgot. He'll soon be back.
I'll wait for him.
It's okay. Thank
you.
This is your house.
Thank you very much.
Let me call these girls to get you something.
Okay.
Who is there? What? Oh,
hey. Hello. How are you doing? Are you okay?
Emenike. It's okay, my dear. Sit down. Maybe it's not in your opinion, but I'll talk to him, okay? It's okay. Just give me a few minutes to be back.
Hello, son. How is it?
I'm fine. Dad, there's something I want to ask you.
Yes, what is it?
Is it true that you banished that man and the wife because of a mere snake?
What did you say? Because of a mere snake?
Yeah.
Do you know that what you have just said is sacrilegious? Do you know that? This is the very first and last time I will hear you say such a thing. You have to endeavor to understand our culture. So you don't just say anything because you feel like saying it. You can leave now.
Dad, what I'm trying to say is that what you did is against the law of natural justice.
I said you can leave now. You're teaching me about natural justice. Warn your son. Your son is tempting me. He's trying my patience. Warn your son. He knows me as his father. He does not know Baka. Babuleni. Warn him!
Nai, please. Please, Nai. Please don't take whatever he must have said seriously. I beg you.
I had better talk to him.
I will, honey.
Talk to him.
I'm so sorry.
It's alright. Talk to him.
I will.
Hey! Aziz Zondo, thank you for your hospitality. Imela.
You're welcome. Today is the happiest day in my life so far. It is not easy to have a promising young man like Ikenayasa as a son-in-law.
It's also not easy to have a very beautiful and well-cultured woman like your daughter as a daughter-in-law.
You made a point. Your visit to my house today will bring blessings for both families.
Amen.
I know we are going to hear from you people in no distant time.
I assure you, in no distant time, you will hear from us.
Like my father said, in no distant time, you will hear from us.
Hey!
Mama, use this one. So bye.
Hey, thank you.
Papa.
That is for me.
Use this one. Use it and buy cola.
Ada. Oga, what you again? Hey, Oga.
Thank you.
Come on. Hey, Oga. Thank you,
Thank you so much, my son.
Stop, my son, stop this car, stop. I should stop. Stop.
You make it. Oh, no mume. Oh, no mume. If a joke. If a joke. Ogaija ike. Ogaija riori. Ogaija memau. Ogaija wanguli. Oh, no mume. Oh, no mume. Ogugule, Okalusi, onu meke negio, ijele ndi umeke o, biko chebanyo, biko ribaja, omugine negio, ona no mume, ona no mume, Igwe baka, onu meke negio, eze sinachi, oke mmanwụ, ọkwụlọka, anya n'ije ahụ ụzọ, ijele ndị umeke, biko chiba anyị o, oro na n'omume,